Hello, I'm Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! From the thumbnail you've seen what's up. HID or high intensity discharge light, or in different terms Xenon lights. Looking like this. This is the old one, don't worry, this isn't the new. I'm gonna show you how to do HIDs or change the bulb if it's out, because these are expensive, or if you buy on eBay they are cheap. Up to you. Now this is the brand. I'll put the link for this in the description down below, so you can see this is how it looks like. And this is the 10,000K. So this is the brightness of the lamp, how warm or cold the light is. This is D2S, there is a D2C, D2R. This goes together with BMWs, Mazdas, and it's a standard one. Basically this, how it attaches, is standard. This is the old light that died, fully died on me. You can see, this is what it is. And you can even see here, I had an 4,300K. I'm putting in a 10,000. I don't know if you can see it. Here is 4,300K. This is a D2S 35 watt E11. So this is what this bulb. At the end of the video, I have marked on the wall the beam of the headlight. I will try to put it back how I took the old one out. So where is the writing, how it slid and how it went in. I will try to mimic everything. You can easily access it without removing the wheel. For filming purposes, and to put this where you see something, so you can see, for me to put my hand in here and film something is not possible, it's not doable. So I will remove the wheel. You can just turn the wheel like this. You can fit screwdriver or whatever you need in here. Let me show you the tools I will use in this video. You don't have to. I'll tell you the tools you actually have to use. These are the tools I will use, but you would need these only. Some Phillips screwdrivers, the stubby one will be the best. And you will need the end of the trim removal tool to pop out the... For me, they will fight. I know they will fight me. So that's that. This is the light. You need a new light, and this, as I will remove the wheel, I will have a torque wrench, impact with 21, 17, lock nut, and a jack. I'll come back to you once I have the wheel removed, because to remove the wheel, you know it how to do it. If you don't know it, there are videos on my channel how to remove wheels. Let's go. The wheel is off. Safe, everything is safe. So now we have to remove this. So this can come down and lay on flat, so we can reach the headlight, which is the back of the headlight is here. So let's do this. You can see it. This one is it. So you have to turn it anti-clockwise to open it up. You cannot reach this from the top. Don't even try. So that's the cap. Now I would recommend you to take a picture of it. I don't know if you can see it properly. Now you can see how it locks, so how you need to put it in so it's good. I don't know if you can see it, but right there on top and right there, there is a tab, like a tab you need to pull. This metal is not in a good place. Where is the K? See the lock? Where's the K? There's a tab. You need to push it up, forwards and up. Here is one tab, right here. See that one? That metal there. So there is one tab and there's one tab. You've just been push it in and out. There you go, it's in and out. Here's the tab, where my finger is, right there. There's a tab and there's a tab.
There is no lot of space to maneuver the bulb out, and the tab is tricky because the tab is sitting between the bulb and the shiny
you can see
metal.
The metal tab there. There you go, now it came out. And this way, you see, there are two metals there, and it has a tab right here, right there. So they need to meet. And they have these ears, here and here. So let's get the new one.
The trickiest part is to put it back in, because you need to put it in straight, then turn as the two tabs or the metal legs go up in together with the bulb, between the bulb body and the metal bit, and you need to turn it and seat it correctly until it clips in. Then you can push the tabs back in their place. I don't know how people can do the HIDs or the Xeons with the wheel attached, because like this I already didn't have space to record properly, but I managed somehow. I did try my best to record so you all can see as much as possible, and this is the best I could do. Other way would be to take out the headlight.
Done. Now we have to confirm. Now the cap goes back on. It goes like this. You put it on this and tighten like this. So basically,
and to put the cap properly on, you need to press it down with all of your hand. If you try to do with your fingers, it won't be aligned properly and it will slip out, like it happened to me.
That's all. That's how you change the HID or Xeon light bulbs. As long as you don't touch it or don't bump it anywhere, it should be perfectly fine. That's how you do an upgrade or change them. And now you know the actual socket, how it looks like. The bigger the number, the colder it is. So 10,000 is almost as ice white. If you want the coldest one, coldest possible, it's the 13,000. The warmest one, it's like really bright warm, is the lower the number. That's all. I hope this video helped. I'll see you in the next Mazda video. Bye bye.